If you're thinking about getting the Hulken Original Rolling Tote, we have two sizes here to compare for you. Welcome to On to Reviews, and thank you for tuning in. We ordered the small and medium size on Amazon, and when they arrived, they looked identical, but you can tell by the markings, this is small and this is medium, that we in fact got the right product that was ordered. And I double checked the measurements as well to see what the difference was between the two. They're only 2 inches, the medium is only 2 inches higher and it's 3 inches deeper. So it's not much of a difference, but let's just see, if it makes a difference to order the small versus the medium, or will the small do the trick. So I'm gonna open these guys up. So these are kind of fun. They're a metallic color, so it kind of makes your daily tasks a little bit more exciting. And it comes in 9 metallic colors and 2 matte. The bottom down. We'll just push this in. So it's a little bit stiff, but I think over time it will keep its shape. All right, let's take a look at the medium size. Okay, so you can see that there is a visible difference between the two. So we're going to just take a look here, and it looks like the handles just sort of tuck in nicely into a little slot there. So it's kind of when it's not being used, it's maybe out of the way. It also has like a pull feature here, so that's kind of nice as well. Here's the pull feature on this guy. So the medium holds significantly more volume, which matters if you're using this for grocery runs, events, studio work, or hauling multiple bags. And the small is more compact and easier to maneuver in tighter spaces. The small feels lighter and slightly easier to control in crowded areas, and the medium still rolls smoothly with the steel swivel wheels, but once fully loaded, it becomes noticeably heavier. So this has wheels on the bottom, and that's what the signature to the Hulken bag is. And it rolls really easily, so it's well made in that regard. I know that when I lived in New York City, you're hauling things all over, and it gets tiring. And so I think that if I had this when I lived there, it would have been a really handy thing to have. And I think that they went with these bold metallic finishes, and I think that it kind of makes it fun as well. So this is a really convenient bag to take grocery shopping with you. I actually just use it. I load up my groceries inside of the bag and I take it to the register, and then I load them in afterwards. So I'm saving a bag and saving the planet, which I'm all for. At the top here, there's a zip closure, so you can close this for better insulation and also security if needed. Hulken also offers a chill insert, so you can insert this. It doesn't come with wheels, and it's only for the medium and the large size. So that will give you a longer period of time to keep your groceries cold. But we will do a video to show you the insert, and also maybe we will review the large size for you as well. So overall, this is a great bag. I've really enjoyed being able to just load a bunch of things from my car and wheel it into the office, or use it for your grocery hauls and things like that, and get it into the house rather than doing multiple trips. So thank you for tuning in to On to Reviews. We hope this review was helpful in helping you decide what size works best for you. Please subscribe to our channel and comment below if you have any questions, or if you would like to let us know which size you ended up picking. Thank you.